I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a new super water in town called H302, and it's got everyone talking. So, what's the deal with H302 water? Unlike regular H2O, H302 water has a special structure. It's found naturally in fruits and veggies, and it's super hydrating. But why should you care? Well, H302 water is said to be more easily absorbed by your cells. That means better hydration, more energy, and even glowing skin. Imagine sipping on something that could boost your overall health, just like that. Some experts even call it living water because it's packed with nutrients and electrolytes. And here's the cool part, you can make it at home. Blend up some juicy fruits or veggies and presto, you've got your very own H302 water. So next time you reach for a drink, why not try the hydrating power of H302 water? Your body will thank you. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep hydrated. Until next time, cheers to better health.